Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Stuck choosing between the Nikon 18-140mm zoom and the Canon 60mm macro lens? It's a classic versatility versus specialization dilemma. Are you team all-rounder or team detail-obsessed?
The Nikon B01882XYPO screams versatility. 18-140mm. That's wide-angle landscapes to decent telephoto reach. But is it a jack of all trades, master of none? I mean, it's a renewed lens, so how's the image quality really?
Think about it. Family trips, vacation photos, even catching your kid's soccer game. One lens, done. Plus, Nikon's vibration reduction VR gives you 4 stops of image stabilization. That's huge for handheld shots in low light.
Okay, but the Canon B07MJCJWXL is a dedicated macro lens. If you're not shooting tiny things, is it useless? It's also more expensive at $482 compared to the Nikon's $230.
Useless? Never. It's about uncovering a hidden world. The Canon lets you focus down to life-size, 1:1 magnification. Imagine the detail in a flower petal, the intricate patterns on an insect's wing. All right, let's get specific. Nikon zoom versus Canon's macro. Which wins for your photography style?
The Nikon's 7.8x zoom range is undeniably convenient, but at that price point for a renewed lens, are you getting soft images at the long end? And how does it perform in low light without the VR?
The Canon's sharpness is where it shines. It's designed for extreme close-ups. Think about product photography, scientific documentation, or just artistic exploration of textures. Plus, Canon's USM ultrasonic motor means silent and fast autofocus. The core question: do you prioritize flexibility and convenience, or mind-blowing detail and specialization?
The Nikon's VR is a lifesaver for shaky hands and low-light situations, and at 1.3 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for its zoom range. But is that enough to compensate for the Canon's superior optics for macro?
And the Canon's close focusing distance of just 0.65 feet is incredible. You can get right up close to your subject. Imagine capturing the intricate details of a watch mechanism or the delicate structure of a snowflake.
Okay, I'm seeing it. The Nikon is the practical choice, the Canon is the artistic one.
Exactly. If you need a reliable, do-it-all lens for everyday shooting, the Nikon is a solid, budget-friendly option, especially for travel.
But if you're passionate about macro photography, crave incredible detail, and are willing to sacrifice zoom range, the Canon is the clear winner. Ultimately, it depends on your creative vision and what you want to capture.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.